x plus 1 as a factor. Let us check whether x plus 1 is a factor now. We can consider, we will check by using this factor theorem. P of x is given, P of minus 1. We will check whether if the variable becomes 0, then this will be a factor of the given polynomial. In that case, what I will do here, x cube minus 1 cube plus 13 into x square is there, minus 1 square and minus 1 square. What it will become here? 13x square, 13 into minus 1 square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. Okay? Now what it will be here? X cube is there in the place of x cube. I will substitute. Then x equal to minus 1. If x plus 1 is a factor, we will consider this value as x equal to minus 1. We will substitute x equal to minus 1 in the given polynomial and check whether it is a factor or not. Now, what is here? Minus 1 cube, minus 1, minus into minus plus, plus 13, plus 13. Now what will get here? Plus into minus, minus 32, plus 20. Now, substitute this one. 13 minus 1 is 12. 12 minus 32. 20 minus 20 plus 20. It will become 0. Okay? Minus 32 minus 1 minus 33. We can write one more step. Minus 33 plus 13 plus 20 plus 33. It will become 0. P of minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial p of x. Now we will divide this polynomial with the help of this x plus 1. Now let us divide this one. X plus 1 is a divisor. The given polynomial is x cube plus the 13x square plus the 32x plus 20. We will divide this one. Now, first term is here x cube. X cube means here x is there. X square we should multiply. X into x square it will be x cube. First term is x cube. Now x square into 1 plus x square minus minus. It will get cancelled. 13x square minus x square. 12x square. Bring down this 32x downside. Now next first term is 12x plus 12x square. Here x is there. We should multiply 12x. 12x into x is 12x square. 12x into 1 is 12x only. Now we will get minus minus. This will get cancelled. 32 minus 12 is 20. 20x. Bring down this 20. First term is x here. First term is 20 plus 20. Now, what is here? 20 into x. This will become 20x. 20 into 1 is plus 20. This will be minus minus. Both will become 0. Therefore, our remainder is 0. We can stop here. Now, we can factorize this polynomial again. We should factorize this one also. Now, what is here the polynomial? X square plus 12x plus 20. X square plus 12x plus 20. The multiplication should be 20. Sum should be 12. Multiplications must be 20. Okay, 10 into 2. 2 into 10. 10 plus 10, 2 10s are 20. 10 plus 2 into 10 is 12. Now, we should factorize this one again. What will get here? X square plus 2x plus 10x plus 20. Take the common term x. X plus 2 plus 10 is common. You take 10 outside. What will you get here? X plus 2 again. X plus 2. X plus 2, x plus 2 is common. Take x plus 2 common outside. X plus 10 is remaining. Now what are our factors? Factors of the given polynomial is x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 10. Okay. X plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 10 are the factors of this given polynomial. This one. Factors are x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 10. Now we can solve one more problem on this one. What is here? 2y cube we can solve one more problem on this. The given polynomials 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 2y minus 1 is a given polynomial p of x equal to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. This is a given polynomial. We should factorize this one. Here also we can consider the last term is minus 1 is there. Minus 1 means we can consider p of 1. We can consider p of 1. Let us consider p of 1. For this polynomial, p of 1 equal to what it will become? Wherever x is there, wherever x is there, you substitute. Wherever y is there, p of y. Wherever y is there, you consider 1. 2y cube. 2 into 1 cube plus y square, 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. What is answer here? 2 into 1 cube is 2 only, plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. It will become 0. Whenever the positive number is there, we are taking p of minus 1. Here minus number is there, we are taking p. We are first considering whether it is a polynomial or not. We are considering plus p of 1. That is why p of 1 equal to 0. In this case, what we will do? P of 1 equal to 0. P of 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of p of y. Y minus 1. P of y is there, no? Y minus 1 is a factor of p of y. Now, we will divide this polynomial by y minus 1. We will divide the given polynomial by y minus 1 because it is a factor. It become a factor now. That is why 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. We will divide and check it. or without dividing also we can try this one. What we will do here, without dividing we can take directly the factor. Na? What is the factor that we can take here? If you take y minus 1, y minus 1 is a factor. In this case, 2y square okay, we'll group this one. 2y square. We'll group the terms. 2y cube minus 2y plus y square minus 1. We will group these terms. Now, what happens here? We will group these two terms. First term and the third term we are grouping here. Next, the first term and third, second term and fourth term we are grouping to take common numbers outside. What is common here? 2y is common. What remains here? Y minus 1. Okay? Here plus y you take outside. If you take y outside, what is common here? Just check that. y cube plus y square. 2y cube plus y square. No need, just let it be here. 2y cube plus y square. In the same terms, what is here? Plus y square minus 2y minus 1. If you take y square common outside, 2y, y square common outside 2y plus 1. If you take minus y outside, minus 1 outside. Minus 1 outside, 2y minus plus 1. 2y plus 1, 2y plus 1 is common. 2y plus 1 is 2y plus 1 is common. Now what can we do here? Y square minus 1. Y square minus 1 is there already. Now what we can do? A square minus b square. A square minus b square you can do that. 2y plus 1 into y plus 1 into y minus 1. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. That one we are using here. Now what are the three factors? 2y plus 1, 2y plus 1, y plus 1 and y minus 1. These are the three factors of this polynomial p of y. P of y equal to 2y plus 1 into y plus 1 into y minus 1. These are the first what we are doing here. Instead of this trial and error method, we will go for direct factorization. In this given polynomial, first two terms 2y cube plus square. Y square is common. I will take y square outside. Now 2y plus 1 is remaining. Here minus 1 I will take outside. 2y plus 1 is remaining. 2y plus 1, 2y plus 1 is common. I will take 2y plus 1 outside. Here y square is there. Here minus 1 is there. In this case, again a square minus b square formula we are using. In that case, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b value. In this, a plus b means y plus 1, a minus b means y minus 1. In this way, we are getting three factors by factorization method. We can also do this one by long division method also, no problem. Up to here, we have done that one. We will divide this one by long division. By that long division also, we will get these factors. Next case, we will learn some algebraic identities. We will learn some algebraic identities to find the product of the polynomials, the simplification of polynomials by using some identities or formula. Let us write some formulas. What we have already learned in the previous class, we are using it for the polynomials. Previous classes we were using it for the arithmetic problems. Now we will use it for the algebraic problems, these formulas. X plus y whole square equal to algebraic identities. We can take this one as heading algebraic identities. Identities means a formula only. First one, x plus y whole square. X square plus 2xy plus y square. That is the first formula. The next one is x minus y whole square. X minus y whole square. X square minus 2xy plus y square. Third one is x square minus y square. X square minus y square. What is answer here? Just now we used that one in the previous question. X plus y into x minus y. X plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. These are the four formulas we are using in the next exercise to solve the problems or to simplify the algebraic expressions. One more formula is the fifth one, x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This is a polynomial with three terms. The square of three terms. First one is the square of two terms. The square of three terms is here. Okay. Sixth one is x plus y whole cube. Cube is a multiplication of three times. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. X plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. One more is there. Seventh one, x minus y whole cube. X cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. If plus is there, all terms are plus only. If minus is there, except the first term, remaining all terms are minus. Remember this one. We can also write this one as x cube minus y cube minus into plus minus 3x square y minus into minus plus 3xy square. Okay, these are the 7 important formulas which we are using it for the simplification of the algebraic problems, and remember these all 7 formulae. Okay. Now let us solve some examples based on this formulae. Let us solve examples using this formula. The first one is x plus 4 into x plus 10. Solve x plus 4 into x plus 10. This algebraic expression is of the form x plus a into x plus b. This algebraic expression is of the form x plus a into x plus b. What will I write here? It is of the form x plus a into x plus b. What is answer? Formula for this one? X plus a into x plus b. Here equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. That is our formula. Okay. Now x equal to a 4, a equal to 4, b equal to 10. Here a equal to 4, b equal to 10. X plus 4 into x plus 10. What it will become here? X square plus a plus b, 4 plus 10 into x is x only plus 4 into 10. What will you get answer here? X square plus 4 plus 10 is 14 plus 14x plus 40. This is the simplified way of this given polynomial. We are expanding using formula and writing in this form. Okay, expanded form of this given polynomial by using this formula. Next question is x plus 8 into x minus 10. X plus 8 into x minus 10. Now here a equal to 8, b equal to minus 10. We are using the same formula again. Okay, a plus b, x plus 8 x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. We are using same formula to simplify this one. In the place of a, 8 is there. In the place of b, minus 10 is there, because x minus 10 is there. Now x plus 8 into x minus 10. Write in the expanded form. X square is there. Write x square as same plus a plus b. A is 8 plus of minus 10 into x plus ab is there. 8 into minus 10. Okay. Simplify this one now. X square write it as same 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10 means it is minus 2x. Minus 2 will get here. 8 minus 10 plus into minus, minus it will become 8 minus 10 is minus 2x. 8 into minus 10 it is minus 18. Minus 18. This is the simplest form of the given polynomial. Okay. The next polynomial you can solve this one. Three x plus 4, 3x minus 5. Next question is 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. It is of the form, in the place of x, 3x is there. Okay? In the place of a, 4 is there. In the place of b, minus 5 is there. Okay? It is in the form of 3x. X, in the place of x, 3x you take. In the place of a, 4 you can take. In the place of b, minus 5 we can take and simplify using the same formula. It is of the form, x plus a into x plus b, or you can take another variable y plus a into y plus b also you can take here. Here x equal to